Statistics is defined by Wikipedia as the study of the collection, organization, analysis, and interpretation of data. Now, this might sound like a whole bunch of mumbo-jumbo to a sixth grader. That's actually what you're going to be doing this unit. And I have no doubts that you'll be able to master it by the end. You'll all be statisticians. It's really not that hard. Collecting data would be surveys or recording test scores, things of that nature. Organizing data is putting it into charts and graphs so that it's easier to look at. Analyzing and interpreting data both deal with critical thinking skills. Looking at your graph and your chart. What does this say? What is the most likely score on a test? What would the average actually mean? It is a measure of center. What does this mean? Okay. Now, the definition of statistics revolves around data. What is data? Well, it could either be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative, as you can tell by its root, talks about qualities or physical attributes, things that are not numerical. For example, what is your favorite color? You would not give me a number answer like 5. You would answer maybe red or blue, pink, tie-dye if you want to be different. Okay, all of those are qualities. They're non-numerical attributes. Quantitative data deals with numbers or quantities. How tall you are, how old you are. These are going to be number answers, right? You're going to say 10 years old, 12 years old, 4'10", 6 feet tall. Anything like that would be quantitative data. Now, statistics isn't just any type of question that results in an answer. To be statistical in nature, you have to have what we call variability. Now, variability means that there is the existence of change or variance among the data. So that means your question doesn't have one specific right answer. If I asked one of you how old you were, I'd only get one answer, right? What's my favorite color? Green. There's no variance there. There's no variability there. How old I am? There's only one answer there. If I asked how old are the students in your school, I would expect some variance there. Kids in kindergarten, not the same age as kids in 8th grade. How tall are the students in your school? I would also expect some variance or change among the answers. The kindergartners probably aren't as tall as the 8th graders. If so, that's just a little different. For a question to be statistical, it has to have variability. Okay? Anything that is statistical must be variable. So, think of some example statistical questions in your head. If you're talking about a very specific person with only one right answer, that's not statistical. If you're talking about a large group or a question that might have multiple answers from multiple people, then that's going to be statistical. That means we can actually graph it and look at it and analyze it, right?